Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Fusion Markets to MT5 in 2026. For that, first of all, you need to download and install the MT5 application on your device from Google Play Store or App Store. Afterwards, you need to launch your Fusion Markets accounts dashboard. In that particular dashboard, on the home page itself or either in the settings, you are going to get your MT5 login credentials. It includes your MT5 login ID, password and the server. So first of all, you need to copy the server from there. Then launch your MT5 application. After that, tap on the option of add trading account. Now in the search bar, you need to simply search for the exact server which you have got from your Fusion Markets accounts dashboard. So after typing it, when you are able to find it here in the list, simply tap on it. Now you need to go back to your Fusion Markets account. From there, you need to copy the login ID and the password. Then you need to paste them here one by one. Once you have done that, you don't need to change anything. You just have to simply tap on this login option. After that, you will be able to easily get access to your Fusion Markets account dashboard in your MT5 account. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.